So what's up, guys? This is one of the trade that actually pained me that I got an SL on. I'm gonna explain one of the reasons why I'm so pained that I actually got an SL on this particular trade here. Now, looking at this chart, you can see that I've already mapped out my zones here, here, and here. I think we have the all-time high market price here. But since the market was bullish, I was supposed to take a buy position right from the zone on my lower time frame. It got to this particular point. My TP was actually here, and it went back and took my break even. Now, so I was expecting that once the market break down to this particular zone here, this resistance level becomes support level, I was supposed to take a buy position right from the zone, but I didn't. I did not take any position right from here. So my expectation was, since the market has broke this structure here, I was hoping the market would tap into this particular zone and went down, and that was the reason for this my sniper entry here. But the mistake I made is, or should I say was, I didn't get my confirmation properly using more lower time frame. Now this particular time frame is 30 minutes time frame, but the issue is I didn't get my perfect entry from the lower time frame. Now coming to the 5 minutes time frame, on this particular zone here, I discovered that there's a little fair value gap zone here. There's a little fair value gap zone here on the 5 minutes time frame. Now, as you can see, if I have come down to my 5 minutes time frame to see if I actually had other confirmations here, trust me, my entry would have been somewhere here, and of course SL would be here. But unfortunately, SL will be here. Unfortunately, I didn't come to my lower time frame. That's one of the biggest mistakes I made. You can see, that was the biggest mistake I made. I only took my entry right directly from the 30 minutes time frame. Now, there are other factors that would have made me win this particular trade if I've applied one of my methods, which I'm not gonna disclose here. Sometimes when I want to get sniper entry, I use the previous market scenario to get it, which is this. Now, if I have to use this to get it, let's remove the fair value gap zone. Now, if I've used this zone, trust me, I would have got my perfect sniper entry, as you can see. But unfortunately, I didn't consider all those factors, and that was one of the reasons why I lost this trade. And as you can see, coming next week, the market will still be bearish. It will still be bearish. One of the reasons why I actually think this bearish move, and right here is already one risk to reward 16, which is extremely massive. You can see it's extremely massive. So imagine me risking $100 to make $1,600 in one trade, in one day rather. That's a lot. That's a lot. But I've learned my lesson now. Next week we go again. I believe you should be back testing by now as a trader, so you will know where you went wrong, what you did wrong, and the reason the ones that played out actually played out. Just an advice, but this is not a financial advice. Peace and love.